Over time, convection section tubes become heavily fouled, restricting heat transfer, increasing fuel consumption, and limiting throughput. IGS restores furnace performance with TubeTech robotic convection cleaning, removing deep internal fouling safely and efficiently. Using patented high-velocity water jetting, robotic lances penetrate deep into tube banks, removing over 90% of scale and buildup. This restores heat transfer, improves preheat, and enables higher steam production. The result? Lower stack temperatures, restored efficiency, and improved productivity. Clients achieve measurable impact, including fuel savings, CO2 reduction, and payback in less than 3 months. Trusted by industry leaders, IGS helps you lower emissions or increase throughput. Book your free efficiency study today